Lunch break. Here tayo sa Festival Mall. Bumili ng mga cards. Collect. The shop is collectibles. I think collective base. Yun. Different from figures. From figures and different Pokemon cards. Yes. Lunch break ngayon. 12. So, duman tayo para kumain. Yeah. NBA cards available. Anime accessories. Different cards. This one, Journey Together. Bumili tayo ng Japanese card. Opening natin mamaya. Marami pa. Yo. From animes. Koreans. There are so many choices or options here na pwede nyo pagpilian. Punta lang kayo dito sa Collective Base Alabang Festival Mall, third floor. Yeah, puntang Landmark. So may mga Funko Pop din sila. Yeah, different toys, iba't iba. Ang dami. Daming choices. Meron din dito Mega Evolution. So 10k siya ngayon. Napakamahal ng Mega Evolution. Different packs. Trainer packs. Funko Pop. Check. Mga vintage din. Itong mga anime figures. Kita nyo dyan. Itong vintage toys. Actually, so super dope. Daming pagpipilian dito. Meetingin ako kung anong pwedeng keychain bilhin. Check muna habang break time. Different animes. Yung mga ano rin dito, Pop Mart, Labubu. Stickers. Different mga cards. So meron sila dito mga graded cards din available. Like this one. Graded cards. Lachos, I mean. Trainer collection. Figures. Ikot-ikot pa tayo. Pwede makita. Mega Evolution per pack is 450 dito. Funko Pop. Black Clover. Falgarlo. Bumili na tayo ng card. Ito yung card. That's it. Yun, so we are back na galing sa Alabang or Festival Mall. So we did get some 4 packs Japanese racket. So we're gonna open these packs. Yeah. First pack. Hopefully may hits. So let's see. Sobrang mahal kanina ng mga packs. Grabe. So right now, ang card pa lang is itong Japanese pack. Sobrang natin. Yeah, nice. Let's see. Wow. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Can check this one. DX. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, first pack. Uh, Combust guy. This one is brand new. Oh, non-hollow gold back. Let's see Japanese pack. This one is Japanese pack, but I don't know bakit hindi siya kulay gold. Ano ko naman kanina, legit daw, sabi. So, second pack. Let's see. Hindi siya gold. Last na in-open ko na Japanese pack is gold siya. So, hindi ko. So, sorry. Not really familiar. So, lagi sa mga prints sa likod. Mini League 2025. Second pack. Monkey. Zuba. I don't know this one. Shabani. And we got a common. To the next pack. G. Medyo ano. Saklap ng unlock nila. Hindi ganda yung mga packs ng kuha natin. Hopefully, okay. Makakuha pa. Makachamba tayo. Sige. Ah, sorry. Sobrang mesa. Hirap ng ganyan. Yan. Midorina. Let's see. Yan pa. So, I think this one. Where are we going? This one are, I think the hits in here are exclusive. Wow, this one's cool actually. Nice. Got something in there. Midorina. This one's Brelli. Autumn. Grant. Oh, look at that. Wow. Sobrang glossy talaga na Japanese packs. This one is cool actually. Nice. That's good. This one's a good food. From the looks of it. Oh, nice. So, gonna get the sleeves. Sleeve natin siya. Wow. Sobrang cool. So, this one's another. What I'm top loader. Medyo malikot ako na top loader natin. I'm planning to. I bought this top loader, guys, back on, I think, June pa, but I recently just bought cards. So I started from Macdo Pokemon Collab. That's where I started collecting cards. Damn, this one's so good. Nice one. So, sobrang, yeah, oh, this one's it's pretty dope actually. Yeah, this one's pretty dope. First seat, you have a last pack. So, last pack can get some cool card in here. It's our last pack. So, let's see. I don't really know actually the hits in here. I think it's the same with Rocket English version. Sobrang hirap na kasing buksan pantas. Ayan. Ganun pala dito. Let's see. Ninili. Ayan. It's Korean. Different language, I think. Korean, Japanese. Chimecho. Midorina. Marco. And Capita. So, what this we got? We got, so, that was kinda medyo open, but all goods. This one is cool. So thank you for watching.